I just rinse my face with some warm water under the tap, and then I'm going to go in with this here, which is the Soap and Glory Face Soap and Clarity 3-in-1 Daily Detox and Vitamin C Facial Wash. I poured like that much extra onto my hand, so it's annoying. This here, which is my Silver Crest kind of face. I'm not really sure what you call it, but then I just pat my face dry, and then I go with my moisturiser. This is the Simple Hydrating Light Moisturiser. I use about that much, and I use this when I'm wearing makeup that day, just because it's not too heavy. I just use this under foundation because it sits really well. I know a lot of kind of heavier moisturisers don't really go well with your kind of base, with your foundation and stuff, but this is a really good one. It's moisturising, but it's like still quite light. I'll just put quite a lot of this on. And that's us all moisturised. So guys, that's my face all kind of washed and moisturised. I've been using this for a couple of months, not sure how long. Yeah, like about 3 months I would say. I only use it like 2, max 3 times a week with my like little kind of Clarisonic little face thing. But yeah, I got this for Christmas. I really like it. My skin has been looking a bit better these days, but yeah, usually daily I just use my Simple face wash. I've showed you guys it before. It's just the big green one, but yeah, I really like that. So yeah, my skin's been improving quite a bit, apart from this one here. These two here are like really annoying, but yeah, so it's looking all right. So I'm going to go downstairs and make some breakfast. I'm not sure what I'm going to have. Probably going to have cereal, like some basic like crunchy nut or something like that. I want to start making overnight oats. I know my sister kind of uses them, but yeah, I'm trying to eat healthy, been on a diet for about almost a month, so yeah, that's exciting. Just try to eat a bit better and do more exercise, stuff like that. So guys, here's the lunch that I made. So I had tuna, a lettuce kind of mixture. It's got like carrots and it's got like sweet corn and stuff. Red onion, cherry tomatoes and cucumber. And it's got a little bit of hot sauce on the lettuce. So I'm excited to eat this. I've been eating really healthy these days, kind of been on a diet kind of thing. So I'm going to sit and eat this, and then I'm going to watch some Riverdale. Guys, that's me done my makeup, quite natural because I'm in a little bit of a rush, but I'm going out for date night tonight, so we're going to get some food and go to the cinema. So I'll talk to you guys later tonight. Hi guys, that's me back. I was at date night, so I went to Smashburger. It's in town in Glasgow. It's, as you've seen, the food was amazing, so I definitely recommend that. And then we went to the cinema because both of us have like Cineworld unlimited cards, so you can go as much as you want for the same price. And we went to see Christopher Robbin. Honestly, one of the best like family movies, is that what you'd call it? I don't know, it was so good. I definitely recommend it. It's just so good, it was so cute. It was like, reminded me of my childhood. It's just so cute. But I'm back now and it's getting late, but I really want to watch Riverdale. Earlier I watched about 10 minutes, maybe 20 minutes of it before I had to like start getting ready. So I just came home and had a shower and now I'm going to put on Riverdale, but I really need to go to sleep soon because I'm up at like 6. So if I watch this episode, then I'm probably going to have about 6 hours sleep, if I'm lucky. But that'll do. I'm going to end the vlog here anyway, guys, because I'm quite tired and I'm going to just watch this and then conk out. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. If you like vlogs, because I'm not sure, because I don't do them too often, but if you want me to do them maybe like a weekly vlog or like once a month, then let me know and subscribe and give it a big thumbs up if you enjoy. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you next time. Bye.